Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install the latest version of Java JDK in Windows 11 operating system. So first of all, let's check our previous version. So we have to go to this PC and Windows C, then program files and then Java. So here we have the JDK 22 version. So we'll install the latest version. So let's first delete this. Now just open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK and just hit enter. Then you will get the official website for the Java JDK. It is www.oracle.com. Just click on that website. Now here you can see the version of the Java JDK. So latest version is JDK 23 and we are going to install it for the Windows. So let's click on Windows. And here we have the 64-bit installer, so we'll just click on this download link. So it will start downloading. It is 205 MB file, so let's wait till download complete. We have downloaded it successfully. Let's install. For that, open it into folder and just double click on this exe file. Now it will ask you to allow to install this application in your system. So let's click on yes. Now you will get this welcome window. Here we have to click on the next button. Now we'll see the path where all our Java JDK files will be stored. You can change that path from this change button, but I am keeping it as it is. Then click on next button. So it will start installing. Let's wait till installation complete. Then we'll see how to set the environment variable path to use the Java. So it is installed successfully. Let's check it is installed or not. For that, open your command prompt and search or type java hyphen hyphen version to check a Java version and just hit enter. Then you can see the Java 23.0.1. The version is installed in your Windows 11 operating system. In this way, you can install Java JDK in Windows 11 operating system.